What's up, guys? Back here again with another video. Today we're gonna be doing something different with the Mustang. I'll be bringing you guys some content very soon for the Z. I got a new RJM clutch pedal for the Z because the clutch feels way off. I just changed the transmission. Since this is an 03, it did not come with a CDO9 transmission. It came with like a CDO1. So, and I was like grinding third and fifth bad, so I swapped the transmission and the clutch. But the clutch feel just feels horrible, like real mushy. Doesn't return all the way to the top. I've replaced the master cylinder, the slave cylinder, and I've bled it multiple times, and it still just gives me the same feeling. So I'm gonna go ahead and I kind of came to the conclusion that it was the clutch pedal, which a lot of other people have the same issues. So I got an RJM like version 4 clutch pedal. So that's gonna be coming up very soon. I'll give you all a little sneak peek for the Mustang also. Oh, what is that? Coming soon. Alright, so anyways, today what I got going on is we're just gonna go run a few errands. This is not too much of a formal video, but this car is filthy. This car is absolutely disgusting. It's been raining horribly the past few days, and I need to wash this thing. I looked at the weather for the next week, so it looks like it's gonna be pretty good. So we're gonna take this Mustang and go get it washed. And if you haven't noticed, there is a new addition to this car. Don't mind it because it's dirty, but this is a carbon fiber wing that I got from American Muscle. It is the MMR wing. This thing looks awesome. And yes, this is real carbon fiber. It is not the fake wrap. Overall, it's okay. It looks really good, just like based on it being carbon fiber, but there's a few issues with it here and there. So like there's some like clear coat peel in here, right here. There's like a small little thing right there. So, and it could be buffed out a little bit better and polished. It's not as shiny as I would like it to be. So at some point when I do buff and cut the whole car, I will do the wing as well. I was gonna give you guys a video on that, but I was just way too impatient and I wanted to put it on. So thing looks awesome though. Makes the car look so much more aggressive. This is a nice little touch for the rear end because I got the front end right. Now I gotta get the rear end right, which brings me to my next thing. I did get a little something for y'all, or for me really. So I plan on getting the 1314 taillights for the car, so I wanted to get a blacked out deck lid to go along with it. In the meantime, I didn't really feel like doing the RTR panel and cutting around and cutting out the deck lid or like the stock trunk. So I just bought one of the other ones from American Muscle. It's basically one that you stick on and it goes around here. And I'll show you guys that later. So we're gonna go ahead and throw that on after we wash the car. I didn't want to put it on while the car's dirty. All right, so we're just gonna take you along on our adventure today. It's a nice slow day. I worked all morning, so this will be a nice little side adventure for the day for us. All right, so we're gonna get going now.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy. When we're in too deep, and you and I, we got history, yeah. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. history, yeah.
And we're back here at the house. We got the car washed. The thing looks awesome. I'm gonna give you guys just a little walk around real quick. I really love the way they came out with the little blackout panel for the back of the car. It kind of tied it in the tail a little bit better, kind of brought it all together. I'm still not done with it visually, but I don't know. Whenever I find the right price for these, I will get them. But if you know S197 Mustangs, then you know the 13, 14 taillights are expensive for what they are. They're just taillights, and they're like $650 for a set, which I just don't see myself spending for taillights right now. So I'll wait till I find them somewhere like on Facebook Market or something and pick up a set once it allows. But yeah, this blackout panel looks really good. Just kind of brings it all together, if you know what I'm saying. The car is like immaculate right now. Super clean. See, the crazy thing is, compared to the S550, the S197, it still looks good. It doesn't look that old. It doesn't look that dated. Like, yeah, when you get in them, the S550 does feel a lot newer, and it feels a lot better, like, as far as interior goes. But on the exterior, like, style-wise, this car stacks up very well against the S550. It looks great. I'm actually really surprised how good my car looks, like, compared to this car. This car is mostly stock exterior-wise, other than the lowering springs or the coilovers and wheels. But soon we will be doing some stuff to this car. We got a few things for it. We came back to the house, stopped by. We're gonna eat some food real quick, and then we're gonna head back into the city of Austin to go check out the car meets tonight. So we're gonna see what's up with that. Hope you guys enjoyed my little rant for the video. It is now nighttime. Ooh, old sexy girl right here. All right, so we got to a car meet. We were going to another meet up in Austin, but everybody got kicked out by security there. So I just followed this random group of cars, and we're here in Kyle, Texas now, like south of Austin. I have no clue who anybody is, but we're gonna meet some people, I guess, and see what kind of cars there are here. There's only like a few, most of them trucks, honestly, so we'll see how long we stay here for. So unfortunately, we drove back here to Austin and went on another wild goose chase looking for another car meet, essentially. I don't know where the hell it was. I couldn't find it. But so be it. I think we're gonna call it a night now. But as we head out, you guys will get a beautiful view of downtown Austin as I drive right across the front of it. So we're gonna get out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notifications, that way you guys get updates every time I post a video, because I'm gonna be coming out with some new fire content every week for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy.